Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So let's start it practicing question paper of RPSC Assistant Professor exam Sociology. So we have already covered 100 questions of this paper. In this video we have covered remaining 50 questions. So why not, let's get started without any delaying. Who has written the book The Death of the Family? Edmund Leach, David Cooper, W.J. Goodhart, G.B. Murdoch. So here correct answers would be David Cooper. Next question. Who explained sociology as a craft? So here correct answer should be Mills. Which one is not contemporary social problems in India? Communalism, casteism, regionalism, democratism. So here option 4 is correct answer because it is not a problem. Like communalism is the tendency to have feeling antagonist feeling of other religion and over jealous to his own religion, and casteism is is followed by those people who prefer their own caste who and uh, I mean casteism is the negative concept, and people look other caste people in negative way and criticize and they feel their caste superior. Regionalism is also believed to give priority to their own area, and like many political people give uh, privacy to their own area, and that is why there are also demand of their own separate state. This is the example of regionalism. Next question is asking, according to Harry Johnson, the four elements of society are definite territory, sexual reproduction, imprehensive culture, and options are population, physical identity, social institution, and independence. So here correct answer should be independence, which is option 4. Moving on to the next question, which is not the characteristic of social institution: active membership, system of activities, normative system, goals. So here correct answer should be active membership because it is part of association. So institutions are made with activities, goals, and rules, resources, and association are made with membership of peoples. So as we know that MacIver and Page give a famous statement like association are made of membership, and institutions are made of rules and resources. Who has argued that primary groups are the nurseries of human nature? Sumner, Bogardus, Cooley, MacIver, and Page. So here correct answer should be Cooley. Question number 107 is asking, membership and set goals are essential elements of the concept of community, association, institution, structure. So here correct answer should be association, membership, and set goals. These are elements of association. Who has argued that sociology has a long past but only a short history? So here correct answer should be Bierstedt. Next question is asking, who is given with the father on a night shift and a mother on a day shift, or both on day or night shift? Children were often on the street shift. So who gave this statement? So here we can say all the names are looking new, as we did not study in frequently in sociology. So here but answer of this question will be new Mayer, because we know that Mayer is study of industrial sociology. So he Satan brothers Mayer and Satan Mayer's we have studied. So in this question is asking about post-industrial society or industrial society in which women also going to work. So when father and mother both are out of work, then children are not properly socialized, and they somehow uh, deviant become deviant, or maybe uh, behave some like others. So that is question is asking for this, and this statement is given by Neumayer. Question number 110 is asking, the kingdom of heaven is a glorified society. Who has said this? So here correct answer should be, okay. Mm, Question number 110 is asking, the kingdom of heaven is a glorified society. Who has said this? So here correct answer should be Durkheim. Durkheim has uh, Durkheim said that people have divinized society, and society, God is made of society. So, God is nothing with, he is glorified by society, and people worship society. So this statement is given by Durkheim. Next question, who has defined corruption is a willful failure to perform a specified duty in order to receive some direct or indirect personal gains? Robert C. Brooks, Eliot and Merrill, Fairchild, Sutherland. So here correct answer should be Eliot and Merrill. So there are many questions which is based on definition. So here question is asking, corruption is a willful welfare to perform a specified duty in order to receive some direct or indirect personal gains. So we can denote some direct or indirect personal gains for this specific statement, so that we can learn easier. And when we see this type of statement, we can code this indirect and direct personal gains is said by Eliot and Melville. That's how we can remember this definition. Otherwise it is very difficult all learned whole definition. There are so many definitions given by thinkers, and are frequently asked in question paper also. So we have to learn by this way. Next question, who has given the statement, caste is a cancer of politics? D.R. Gadkil, Rudolph Abraham Lincoln, Panikkar. So here correct answer will be D.R. Gadkil. He said that caste is a cancer of politics. Who has given the concept of nuclear family? Murdoch, Zimmerman, Warner, Johnson. So here correct answer should be, nuclear family is concept given by Zimmerman. Oh, no, nuclear atomistic family is given by Zimmerman, and nuclear family is given by Murdoch. Sociology is regarded neither as the mistress nor as husband of the social science, but as their sister. Whose words are these? Light and Keller, A. Boucher, Auguste Comte, Burns and Baker. So here correct answer should be Burns and Baker. Who considered that behavior then is to a large extent culture, but is not culture? Johnson, Linton, Herskovitz, Tyler. So here correct answer should be Johnson. Question number 116 is asking, who has argued that conflict may lead to impasse, not to change? Cohen, Marx, Kozel, Darwin. So here correct answer should be Cohen. Cohen said that conflict may lead to impasse, not to change. So we can take here impasse. I mean, we can denote this specific word for Cohen, so that we can learn this definition. Next question is asking, who has argued we may fill a glass with wine, water, or sugar without changing its form, but I cannot conceive of a social institution which form would not change when its members change. So this famous sentence, argument is given by Sorokin. He said when the two forms of school is emerged, like synthetic school of sociology and formalistic school of sociology. So synthetic is led by Durkheim, Sorkin, Hobhouse, and formalistic by George Simmel, Max Weber. So Sorokin give this argument in saying that we may fill a glass with wine, water, sugar without changing its form, but I cannot conceive of a social institution whose form would not change when its members change. So we know that the social institutions are not change while its member always change. So this argument given by Sorokin. Marriage is an institution for admitting man and woman to life. Whose words are these? Westermarck, Kapadia, Kippian Prabhu, Bogardes. So here correct answer is Bogardes. Which of the following difference is wrong? Culture is borrowed without change or loss, but not civilization. Civilization is passed on without but effort, but not culture. Civilization is always progressing, but not culture. Civilization has precise standard of measure, but not culture. So here question is asking the wrong statement. So correct answer should be culture is borrowed without change or loss, but not civilization. So here option A is correct answer. Wherever there is life, there is society. Whose words are these? Marx, McIver and Page, Weber, Johnson. So here correct answer should be McIver and Page. McIver has Page and Page given many statements. Who propounded the socialization theory of social looking glass self? So here correct answer should be Goulet. Looking glass self, we can say this theory of looking glass self. Durkheim has gives concept of mechanical solidarity and organic solidarity, social fact, and society is God is society, divinized, society is glorified, divinized, something like this. And Mead is worked on I and me. Piaget give development theory. So okay, we have come. So next question is asking by which concept of logical behavior is explained in Freud's theory of socialization? Id, ego, superego. So logical behavior is explained by ego and moral behavior is explained by superego. So Freud gives the three concepts id, ego and superego, and we can understand this concept like, for example, if one person is hungry, so he have feeling like her hunger is asking to eat something, but when he try to steal some food from any shop, so their ego is asking that no, it is bad, but his ego is asking no, you have to fulfill your hunger craves, so you have to steal these things. But when his super ego comes and he said no, thief is stealing something is not a good, it bad thing, then he cannot steal, and he uh, eats from any he eat from another way. So these we can apply Freud's theory. So in this question correct answer will be ego. Who defined social norms as the focus of society? Durkheim, Radcliffe Brown, Sumner, Linton. So here correct answer will be Sumner. Radcliffe Brown write a book called Caste Conflict in Industrial Society. It Caste Conflict in Industrial Society. It's book by Ralph Dahendorf, and Radcliffe Brown books Caste and Class in Primitive Society, something like this. His book, and like Joking Relationships, he also worked, and Radcliffe Brown also. Uh, uh, work on ethnology. Ethnology is a branch in which people study different uh, uh, different cultures and in comparative study of different cultures. And W. Graham Sumner worked on folkways, norms, society, and he also gave theory in group and out group. Ralph Linton had worked on status role, and he gave famous status is role is the dynamic aspect of status, which is also come in many exams. Question number 1 to 4 is asking in which form of social norms its non-conformity is considered as taboo. Folkways, mores, etiquette, tradition. So here correct answer should be mores. When mores is not followed, then it become taboo. Next question: Who formulated the functionalist? Who formulated the functionalist theory of social stratification for the first time? Parsons, Davis and Moore, Warner and Tuman. So here correct answer should be Davis and Moore. Davis and Moore says that social stratification is inevitable because some peoples are motivated, so that peoples are motivated to fill the certain position, and thus they get some rewards. That is how class and stratification is divided, because some people work hard and achieved, some people do not, so do not get achieved. So this is how, so the society is stratified and it is inevitable. But Tuman criticized this theory and said that this is based when reward is given, so it is not based on stratified. How can it be stratified? So Tuman criticized Davis and Moore's theory of stratification. Moving on to the next question. The book Social Stratification, The Forms and Functions of Inequality is authored by Tuman. So this famous book is authored by Tuman, Melvin Tuman. Next question. In class stratification, which class is generally non-cohesive? Elite class, upper class, middle class, lower class. So we have to first understand what is the question asking. Here question is asking which is generally non-cohesive, matlab means which is generally, stable, unstable. We can understand it's unstable. So middle class is sometimes changing. So elite class and lower class is always static. So here correct answer should be middle class. Which one of the following is an example of wealth promised to the bride by the bridegroom? So here correct answer should be meher, because dowry is given to the husband's family, family of husbands by the girl's family. But Stridhan is followed in tribal community, in which people give the family of a boy give money to girl's family. It's like some purchasing, and after married, and the bride, no, it is bride price. Stridhan is the property or money given to the girl by girl's parent, but mehar is the amount of money or something like ornaments or money, which is given by husband to the wife as express of as the symbol of love. So question 129 is asking communalism is the result of individual disorganization, family disorganization, social disorganization, all of these. So here correct answer should be social disorganization. it is not individual disorganization, because communalism is happen in community. Family disorganization not also happen because family is one unit. I mean, community are when there are so many families. So that is how this question, option C is correct answer. Question number 130 is asking which condition exists before there appears accommodation process: cooperation, conflict, adaptation, assimilation. So here correct answer should be conflict. First conflict happen, then accommodation, then adaptation, then assimilation happen. So these features are also related in when some people go immigrate or migrate to another place. In the base of all social process, there is a pattern of action, interaction, reaction, response. So here correct answer should be interaction. Interaction is the base of all social pattern, because if interaction did not happen, then like conflict is not happen, like assimilation or adaptation is not happen. So interaction is very much important. Question number 132 is asking the emergence of marginal man in society is the consequence of which social process: accommodation, assimilation, conflict, adaptation. So here correct answer should be assimilation. Which three categories of culture are mentioned by Sorokin in his cyclical theory of social change? Primitive, traditional, modern, additional, sensate, idealistic, additional, modern, postmodern, primitive, technological, urban. So here correct answer is option number 2, additional, sensate and idealistic. Question number 134. Durkheim mentioned that the prototype of religion is totem, clan, symbol, worship of idol. Question number 134 is answer of this is totem. We know that Durkheim said that totem is the earliest form of religion. Herbert Spencer was born in America, France, England, Germany. So here correct answer should be England. Which is not the feature of bureaucracy: personalized rules of working, hierarchy of positions, avenue of promotion, salary payments. So hierarchy of positions, salary payments is the correct. Avenue of promotions is also happen, but personalized rules of working is not the role of feature of bureaucracy. Bureaucracy is given by Max Weber, and this feature of bureaucracy is also used by George Ritzer in the study of McDonaldization. Which factor helps in promoting the unity in Indian society? National system, symbols, educational system, legal system, all of these. So here correct answer will be national symbols. Sorry. So a correct answer will be all of this, because education system, legal system may also help in promoting unity. Like we have to study of our history and freedom movement in education system and legal system. We have provided many free articles, and many section provide us how to live in the society. So this all helps in unity of India. So question 138 is asking in which stage of ashram all the purusharth of dharma, earth, kam and moksha are fulfilled? So here correct answer will be grihasth. Who propound the concept of syndicated Hinduism in modern India? Yogendra Singh, Romila Thapar, S.C. Dubey, A.R. Desai. Correct answer should be Romila Thapar. Thapar. Question number 140 is asking the Varna system of India during the post-Vedic period was based on birth root, quality and action, occupational identity, traditional determinism. So here correct answer should be quality and action. But nowadays the Varna system is based on quality and action, but it is developed in caste system, and we can see nowadays the caste system is the um, changing form of Varna system. The book Caste in Contemporary India is written by Manish Thakur, Rani Mehta, S.S. Jotka, Anjali Dave. So here correct answer should be Surinder Singh Jotka. He is professor in uh, Center for the Study of Social System in JNU, who was the first sociologist to explain the difference of culture and civilization. Alfred Weber, McIver and Pease, Ogburn, Leslie. First sociologist to explain the difference of culture and civilization. So here correct answer should be Alfred Weber. The book The Great Indian Middle Class is authored by Andre Bhute, P.K. Verma, B.B. Mishra, I.P. Modi. P.K. Verma. Correct answer should be P.K. Verma. These are very new thinkers. We have studied Andre Bhute, but these are new thinkers of sociology. Role of women is determined by Manish Thakur, sex difference, gender difference, women herself. So there is interesting answer options. Role of women is determined by gender difference. So here correct answer should be option number 3, which is not related to women's role determined by gender inequality. Teaching, cooking, house cleaning, sweatering. So here correct answer should be option number A. Teaching is not determined by gender inequality, while cooking, house cleaning, sweatering is related to housework which is done by women according to gender differences. When was the women's policy formulated to empower women in India? 96, 2001, 2008, 2013. So here correct answer should be 2001. 2001 is also declared women's empowerment year in India. The untouchables caste in India were given a new name, scheduled caste, by Mahatma Gandhi, B.R. Ambedkar, Simon Commission, Jawaharlal Nehru. So this is given by Simon Commission in 1935. Who gave the concept of culture of poverty? Marx, Danderkar and Rath, Levish and Mayer. So culture of poverty is given by Oscar Levish. Option 3 is correct answer. Which of the following sociologists explained 6 dimensions of communalism? T.K. Woman, S.C. Dubey, P.N. Prabhu, P.N. Mukherjee. Here correct answer should be T.K. Woman. T.K. Woman. Question number 150 is asking the differential association theory of crime is propounded by Cloard and Olin, Cohen, Sutherland, Baker. So here correct answer is Sutherland. So we have completed all 150 question. I have kept some question in doubt in before earlier videos. So yeah. Question number 82 is asking which one of the following article in the Constitution of India related only to the scheduled tribe? Article 244, Article 330, 332, 335. So here correct answer should be Article 244. It is related only to scheduled tribe, while remaining the articles are related both SC and ST. Article 330 is provide reservation in House of People, both SC and ST, and Article 332 is provide reservation in Vidhan Sabha, both SC and ST, and Article 335 is give reservation in the occupation position. So here is this also question is also in doubt. So here correct answer should be office, because Delhi University is the example of office. So earlier in previous video I have answer of this question number 74 is I think I give youth dormitory, but here correct answer should be army, not youth dormitory. Which of the following is not an agency of sociology? So here correct answer should be army. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share, subscribe this channel. Thank you.